Section 2.3, example 5, solving an area problem. The perimeter of a tablet of graph paper is 48 inches. The length is 6 inches more than the width. Find the area of the graph paper. Okay, so we'll start working backwards. So find the area. We know that area is equal to length times width. So we have to figure out what the length is and also what the width is. And starting from the beginning, the perimeter of a tablet of graph paper is 48 inches. We know that perimeter is equal to 2 length plus 2 times the width. And perimeter itself is those 48 inches. So we know that that is 48 inches there. The length is 6 inches more than the width. So that goes towards the picture. So our length is 6 inches more than the width. So we call width W, length is W plus 6. And I feel like that's all we really need to know in order to figure out what the length and width are. Then we can move forward and find that area. So we have 48, width is width, but length is 6 more than the width. So we have 48 plus 2 times the length. So the length we're going to replace with W plus 6 plus 2W. And from here, very similar to the previous problem where we could solve for our width. So 2 times W, so we have 48. That's going to stay the same. 2 times W is 2W. 2 times 6 is 12. And plus that 2W. It looks like we could combine like terms on the right side. 48 is equal to 4W plus 12. And from here to get W, or the term with W by itself, we can move this 12 over, minus 12 both sides. I like working with my variable on the left side, so I'm going to switch the sides, making this 4W is equal to, so moving this stuff over to the left, and now we could do this and move it over to the right. So 48 minus 12, it's going to be 36. And we could divide both sides by 4 to get W by itself. So W is equal to 36 divided by 4 is 9. So we have our width. Over here, it tells us that our length is 6 more than our width. So L is equal to width plus 6. Length is equal to 9 plus 6. Length is equal to 15. So we have our length and our width. We just need to figure out what area is. Remember, that's what they were looking for, find the area. So finding the area, we just plug it in here. And we have our solution. A is equal to length times width. Length is 15. Width is 9. So 15 times 9. So 15 times 9, 135. And there we go. So our area is 135. What's our unit? Inches squared. Oh, I thought it was highlighter. There we go. Inches squared, because over here we had 15 inches times 9 inches. When we multiply those would give us inches squared. And there we go. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.